Hello everyone, this is Martin Kraus. This is my first video for CIS 117. In this video I will demonstrate how to store a script on our local system for SQL. Since we already have SQL Server Management Studio open, we will right-click on our CIS 117 database that we created this week. We will go to New Query. I'm going to write a simple query to save a table, as we've done this week. We'll call the table Employees, since we already have a table called Employee, and we will execute. Once we refresh and open our tables again, we can see that the table Employees has been created. What we're going to do is we're going to save this script so that we can reuse it. Probably we wouldn't if we were just going to have a 4-line script, but perhaps it someday will be a 100-line script or a 500-line script. We'll want to save it so that we can create a new table for each customer or several of the same table for one database. So what we will do is we will go to the Save button, the one shaped like a floppy disk for those of you who remember what those are. And then we will name our query, and we will be very creative and call it test. We can select a different path if so desired. I'm just going to use the default here. And we have now saved our script. So if I close the current query, and I go back to a new query, we're now going to open file. That will take us back to our default path. And we can see that test exists. Once I click on that, I can see the text from that file. I click open, and we have the same script ready to run. Once I execute this script, it's going to give me an error because I've already executed the exact same script. That's how we'll test and make sure that the script is exactly the same. So when I go to execute, there is already an object named Employees in the database. So we did this correctly. Since we've completed our work with this table, we're going to get rid of it now. And we've now removed the excess table. That concludes this lesson. Please let me know what you think. Thank you.